strongest Titan of the episode 75 update? Is it the big boy, the good boy, the American boy, Titan Firework Man? Or is it the air element, the one who was born from the god of air? Daniela, stop moving. The Titan Fanman!
Yes!
Okay, so today we're gonna see who's the strongest Titan. Me and Daniela are gonna go into separate endless mode games, and whoever gets to the farthest way first wins. Wait, Daniela, do you have a starter unit?
I have the Titan Fanman.
Yeah, but you have a Fanman. Okay, let's get. And Daniela doesn't really have any booster units, so that's why she's not using something like this Chief Clock Man. All right, Daniela, get into this game. Okay, let's go.
I feel like I'm gonna win.
I'm gonna win. I'm gonna win because I brought a green laser cameraman. Oh wait, this is trash placement. Needs a range to hit a lot of toilets. There we go.
Okay, place the Fanman.
Okay. Let's see who makes it farther on the endless mode. Okay, I'm gonna use my extra money ability because I need some centers.
Maybe I should have kept the Cupid.
How many? Are there any toilets close to your base?
No, it's just I don't know if the Fanman is that good.
Oh, yeah. But don't worry, what's good about the Titan Fanman is that it's cheap.
I'm talking about the normal Fanman.
Oh yeah, but don't worry. Titan Fanman is cheap. That's what's good about it. Sir, can't wait to place America and his blaster. Yes, sir. Upgrade centers. Don't worry, this green laser is cooking today. It's probably be upgraded though. That should definitely upgrade it. Yes, sir. My green laser was upgraded. Let's go. Guys, I recommend getting the green laser because he is so good for the earthquakes. I know. Yeah. But don't worry, I'll be able to place Chief Clock Man soon. Man, why did I waste my extra money ability? I could have used it to place my Chief Clock Man. But hey, you can never go wrong with something. Oh, I almost have enough for the Chief Clock Man.
I have a question for this challenge. Am I allowed, once I place the Titan Fanman, can I place all of my other units or back to
Well, how should I say this? So you can place, because the only unit you can place is the Titan Fanman, but you can place a ton of Titan Fanman. Okay, let's put this Chief here. Rewind toilets.
Okay, I gotta wait.
I also need to upgrade this guy because he needs to have an extra range boost.
Clock fighter did a large class. Okay, good. You really need to upgrade him. So I should work on my money.
Okay. Yes, I think that should be a big enough gap for the Titan Fanman. Yeah, but here's the rule. For me, since I'm the only one here with a Chief Clockman, I can only place one Chief Clockman. That's it. Because I need that range booster.
I'm getting concerned.
It's a good thing Chief Clockman has a range booster because at max level, he actually does some good ally health. You guys should get him. But
If you have money.
okay, yes. I placed my Titan Firework Man. He has the range boost. That's good. Now time to place the DJ. I need to upgrade this dude. I need to yes, he has that damage booster. Okay. Oh wait, now that I have my guy. Okay, I'm gonna change the rules. You can keep your green laser as long as you don't place any more. You can keep your starter as long as you don't place no more than one. Dang, bro, those clock spiders are cooking today. No, my clock spiders. The Chief Clockman spawns clock spiders. Yeah, but these clock spiders at max level do 5,000 points. That's super strong. I really need to upgrade my money. I really need to upgrade my money right now. Oh, guess what? Titan Firework Man. Show Titan Fanman why you're 2 rarities above him. Show him why you do 90,000 DPS instead of 8,000 like Titan Fanman.
Okay, so can I keep all my starter units?
Yes, but only one. But if you have multiple starter units, delete them so you can only have one. Yes. You can finally afford the Titan Fanman?
Yeah.
Did you place it?
No, not yet. There's not a good place.
Dang, bro.
Yes, good.
Bro, we are destroying toilets.
Yes, okay.
Oh, yeah. These clock spiders can do it. Right.
My Titan Fanman looks so cool. It looks kinda a little bit cooler than Miss Americana.
Comment if you like Taylor Swift. Anyway, I need to upgrade. I need to do some great investments. Anyway, I'm gonna max level this DJ Speaker Man so we can do infinite. I mean, he can boost this Titan power.
He's looking way better than your Miss Americana.
Daniela, first of all, it's a Titan Firework Man, not Titan Firework Woman.
Well, I don't care.
And bro, this boy does some damage. He packs a punch. I think the only reason I'm gonna win is because of this Chief Clockman.
Really?
Bro, the Chief Clockman is strong.
Really?
Yes. And he's a cooldown of 0.05.
Wait, alright.
Okay, he spawned another clock spider. That's good. The only reason you even have a chance of winning is because this guy's cooldown is not good at first level.
Well, I upgraded him.
Yeah, Yeah, but this guy's also really expensive. So that's another chance of doing it. It's a man! Why? America. Why? Oh yeah. Don't worry, these clock spiders will stop these toilets. Go, go, go! Oh wait, this is a lot of toilets. Come on, spawn another clock spider.
Wait, we're already ahead of you. I'm in wave 22.
22? What?
I'm not you, but I'm feeling 22.
Oh my god. Oh, I'm gonna wait. I need to step. What?
No
I know.
cheating.
Auto skip. Ha ha ha. Let's
Should
go.
I auto skip right now?
Yes. Now I have a chance of winning. Ah 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 ah. Yeah, I'm auto skipping. Auto skip. Auto skip.
Auto skip. Auto skip.
Auto skip.
Auto skip.
I'm gonna upgrade this green laser boy.
Okay, I'm gonna place another fan.
Yeah, I think I might lose. Don't worry, I'm on auto skip. So don't worry. Don't worry. Don't worry. We have a chance clockman here who's gonna stop these toilets. Oh no, I might actually die. Wave 22. Come on, Chief Clockman, stop this movie toilet 2.0. Oh no, no, no. No, he got away with 9,000 health. What are we gonna do? Yep, this is instant death mode. Unless... Please... Destroy! Oh. What?
So
What the?
great.
Wait. Wait. I just got logged out. Bro.
Wait, does that mean I win?
Yes! You win, I guess. Okay, guys, if you want to see more epic battles like that, please like and subscribe. Bye.